Good morning, students. In our previous period, in last 4 periods or 3 periods, we discussed about the reported speech, and today we see some of the rules how a reporting verb changes in a reporting sentences in a reported speech. As we have discussed, simple present becomes simple past, present continuous becomes past continuous, present perfect becomes past perfect, and present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. In the same way, we have gone through the simple past becomes past perfect, and past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past perfect remains in the past perfect, and past perfect continuous remains in the same. So we have several examples according to the rules change of the statements according to the present to past. And now we see some of the part related to this. See, change of the reporting verb. Reporting verb changes according to the statement. See here, first one, reporting verb changes according to the nature of the sentences. They are aspects. Just today we go through these rules. Here we made 3 columns: reporting verb, reporting speech, reported speech, and the context. See, here reporting verb, when it is said, reporting verb always seems to be said itself, and it converts into reported speech. It becomes said, becomes said becomes said when, see, where there is no object in the statement. When there is no object in the statement. And see, second one, said becomes told. In the reported speech, said becomes told where there is an object in the statement. Where there is an object in the statement, this said changes to told where there is an object. See, third one, said becomes replied. Said changes to the form of reply when there is a reply in the statement. Where there is a reply in the statement. See, said changes to stated when there is a statement. When there is a statement in the sentence. See, this said changes into declared when there is a declaration. When there is a declaration. And see, this said changes to narrated in reported speech when there is a narration. When there is a narration. We go through the examples according to these formulas. Let us know first what the forms changes to. Say changes said when there is no object in the statement. Say becomes told where there is an object. Say becomes a reply when there is a reply. Say becomes stated when there is a statement. Say becomes declared where there is a declaration. Say becomes narrated when there is a narration. Children, now you see the second rule. As we discussed the first rule, A, changes of the reporting verb. When said is there, it changes according to the statement. Now see, if the sentence in the direct speech is an interrogative. Do you know what is an interrogative? Interrogative sentence is that which places a question, which interrogates something. See, when a sentence in the statement is interrogative, the reporting verb changes to. Reporting verb in the reported speech changes according to the question. See, here also we have 3 columns. See, reporting verb, reported speech, in context. What context it changes? See, here reporting verb, this RV, reporting verb said, it changes to ask. It changes to ask when it is a question. When it is a question. Interrogative sentence means questioning. All the questioning only. See, And this is said changes to inquire. Inquire, if it is an inquiry. If it is an inquiry. See the third one, said changes to question if it is a question. What difference is this again? See, this ask, it is for a question. When we place a question to somebody, we may place this ask. Or when we question to somebody, we may place question to. In the place of ask, you can place question if it is a question. And see the second. This is said changes to inquire when you make some inquiry. If you are about to find something, if you inquire where it is, how it is, if you get the information by making an interrogative sentence by inquiring things. So this is said changes to inquiry. The statement is about inquiry. You can place a reporting verb as inquire in the reported speech. Let us see them again. When reporting verb is said, when it is a question, you can place ask. This reporting verb, when you are about to inquire, you can add the word, you can use the verb inquire. When you are questioning to something, you can ask, you can say question. You can say question in the reported speech sentences. Here, this is reporting verb in the direct sentence. When we convert them into reported speech, this is said changes to these all forms when there is an interrogative. See students, this is the rule number 3, the C rule. The rule number C, if the sentence in the direct speech is an imperative. What is an imperative sentence? Which orders, which requests, which seeks permission, they are called imperative sentences. See the rule, if the sentence in the direct speech is an imperative sentence, the reporting verb changes as. See, here 3 columns. Reporting verb, reported speech, and the context. Which context? This is said changes to these reported speech formations. If the reporting verb is said, it changes to order when there is an order. If the statement is an order. For example, go and drink a glass of water, get out, get the permission before entering the class. These all are orders. Get out of the class, read the book carefully. These kind of sentences are called orders. And this is said reporting verb changes to the form of requested. When there is a request, may I have your water bottle? It is a request. Like these sentences, if it is a request, this requested verb form takes place in the place of say. Is it clear? Now see, this reporting verb changes into advised. When you supply any advice or you are advised. If somebody says you to do something, follow something, if it is an advice, here the verb form changes into advised. See, this is said becomes commandment. This is said becomes commandment. It is a command. When there is a command, the verb changes into reported speech, that is commanded. Is it clear? Let us see once. If the sentence in the direct speech is an imperative, imperative sentence itself says the sentences which orders, which requests, which advises, or which seeks permission. The reporting verb changes as. See, said becomes order when it is an order. Said changes to requested when it is a request. Said changes to advised when it is an advice. Said becomes commanded when it is a command. Students, let us see the fourth rule. This is the earlier we discussed rule number A, rule number B, rule number C, and this is the rule D. If the sentence in the direct speech is an exclamation, if the sentence has exclamation and the reporting verb changes as. See, again we have three columns: reporting verb, reported speech, and context. Reporting verb said. If reporting verb is said, it changes into exclaiming with joy in the reported speech and it expresses joy. When a statement is made with fullest happiness in the mood of joy, it is exclaimed with joy. As we have seen exclamatory sentences which expresses joy, sorrow, surprise, or wonder, or fear. These kind of emotions are expressed in the exclamatory sentences. If the sentence is in the exclamation, the reporting verb changes to. See, reporting verb said changes to exclaimed with joy. Exclaimed with joy when it expresses joy. This kind of form we can use in reported speech. When this reported verb said to be changed to exclaimed with joy. See, this reporting verb changes to exclaimed with sorrow. Exclaimed with sorrow when you express sorrow, when you are sad, when you are in disgusting mood, or when you are not so happy, you can express exclaimed with sorrow. If you say any bad image or any sorrowful statements, at that time, this kind of reported speech verbs are used. Exclaimed with sorrow. See the third one. Said becomes exclaimed with wonder. Exclaimed with wonder when it expresses wonder. When it expresses wondrousness. The things if you never seen, the experiences which you have never experienced, at that time you can express the feeling of wonder by adding this kind of exclaimed with wonder in a reported speech. See this said, when you are under surprise, when you are surprised, when somebody is surprised, at that time we can use exclaimed with the surprise. Exclaimed with surprise. This exclaimed must be used because why? Can anybody say? This exclaimed must be used in the reported speech. Why? Because the sentences are exclamatory. Because the sentences are exclamatory. This exclamatory sentences, so we use exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with wonder, exclaimed with surprise. See, these are the context. When it expresses, when the statement expresses joy, when the statement expresses sorrow, when the statement expresses wonder, when the statement expresses surprise.